This spicy butternut squash soup is a tasty winter warmer. Not only is it healthy and delicious, it's also a doddle to prepare using the slicer and masher. Here's what you'll need. The slicer provides a quick, convenient and safe way to shred, grate and slice a variety of vegetables in seconds. Begin by slicing the carrots, onions and butternut squash. Simply choose one of the 5 different cone attachments, press the on button, insert the food into the feeding tube and apply even pressure on the pusher. Pour the oil into a large saucepan, add the sliced vegetables, spices, chopped chilli and crushed garlic and sweat for 4 minutes. Allow to cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes until you can smell the garlic cooking. Next, add the hot stock to the vegetables along with salt and pepper and allow to simmer for 20 minutes until reduced. Once reduced, take off the heat and blend with the masher to achieve the desired consistency. The masher's patented Rotocone technology pushes the ingredients through an outer mesh for a perfectly smooth consistency in seconds. The masher could not be easier to clean. Either run the masher head and rotor blade under the tap or put it on the top shelf of the dishwasher. Serve in a warm bowl with crusty bread. Visit thearange.co.uk for more delicious recipes.